In this video, we'll review the timesheet reports available to the Time Approver role in PROCAS Time. We'll cover how to view employee timesheets, generate exports and PDF reports, review labor activity, monitor utilization, and access audit and work authorization information. To open the View Timesheets screen, select Reports, then click View Timesheets. This report allows approvers to review employee timesheets regardless of their current status. The report includes 4 viewing methods: by person, period, task, and by approval group. Use the search field to locate employees or records by name or code within the tab. The approver type options allow you to switch between primary, alternate, or both approval assignments. Enable Show Active Only to limit the results to active employees. By Person displays employees you have access to review. Expand an employee row to view available timesheet periods. Click Comments to review internal or external comments entered for the selected timesheet. If no time entries are recorded for the selected timesheet, a notification message will appear indicating that no entries are available. When viewing a timesheet, the grid displays hours entered by day and charge code. Yellow totals display daily totals, row totals, and the grand total for the timesheet period. Timesheets can also be downloaded as PDF files. The By Period tab groups timesheets by timesheet period. Expand a period to see employees and their submitted timesheets. The By Task tab groups timesheets by the tasks your employees have charged. The By Approval Group tab organizes timesheets by your approval groups. The Generate Timesheet PDF Report creates a PDF file containing timesheets for a selected time period. Begin by selecting a time period from the Select Period dropdown. Optional filters allow you to limit the export by project range, personnel range, approval groups, approver type, and timesheet status. All filter ranges are inclusive, so results include the specified start and end values. You can also include additional information in the exported PDF, including audit trail history, project manager approval details, internal comments, and external comments. After selecting your filters, click Export to PDF to generate the report. The generated PDF includes a detailed breakdown of each timesheet, showing hours entered by day, charge code and project information, timesheet totals, current timesheet status, submission details, and approval information. Depending on the selected export options, the report can also include audit trail history, approval details, and internal or external comments. The Floor Check report identifies employees who did not enter time for a selected date. Select a date using the date picker. Optional personnel and approval group filters can be used to narrow the results. All filter ranges are inclusive, so results include the specified start and end values. The report identifies employees with no recorded hours, noting any approved or pending PTO for the selected date. From here, you can select employees to send a reminder email to record their time. The report can also be exported to CSV format. The Labor Hours Summary Report reviews employee hours worked during a selected date range and identifies personnel whose hours exceed a selected threshold. Selected date from and date to range. Optional filters include project ranges, account ranges, personnel ranges, approval groups, and personnel active status. All filter ranges are inclusive, so results include the specified start and end values. Use Hours Threshold to display only employees above a selected number of hours. For example, enter 40 to help identify any employees who may have worked over 40 hours for a given week. Leave this field blank to display all of your employees. The report groups data by approval group and primary approver. Expand employee rows to review additional details by charge code or work date. You can also switch between summarized and detailed views. The Labor Utilization Report compares direct labor hours against a user-defined hours base and calculates a direct utilization percentage. Optional filters include project ranges, account ranges, personnel ranges, approval groups, and personnel active status. All filter ranges are inclusive, so results include the specified start and end values. Use the direct hours divided by total hours to compare productive direct work against all recorded hours. User-defined base hours allows the direct utilization percentages to be calculated using a custom base hour value. Results are grouped by approval group. The Project Hours report displays hours charged to projects during a selected date range. The report can be filtered by invoice tasks, projects, clients, accounts, labor categories, personnel, and incurred cost classes. All filter ranges are inclusive, so results include the specified start and end values. Additional options allow you to include active or inactive invoice tasks, include billable or unbillable hours, and include open or closed projects. Use the toggle switches to control daily detail display, disclaimer visibility, and report footer visibility. The report displays recorded hours grouped by project, billing account, and labor category. Use the grouping options, search field, approver type selector, and approval group filter to organize results. The grid displays project details, employee information, work dates, and recorded hours. Yellow rows display subtotal and summary totals. The report can be exported as CSV or PDF. The Work Authorization Details report displays charge code authorization information by employee and approval group. Select a Date To value to determine the reporting cutoff date. Optional filters include projects, accounts, personnel, approval groups, and personnel active status. All filter ranges are inclusive, so results include the specified start and end values. Click View Report to generate the results. The report includes budgeted hours, hours used, remaining hours, and authorized start and end dates. The report can also be exported to CSV format. The Timesheet Detail Export screen exports detailed timesheet entry information for additional analysis. Use the Date From and Date To fields to define the reporting period. Optional filters include projects, accounts, personnel, approval groups, approver type, and personnel active status. All filter ranges are inclusive, so results include the specified start and end values. After reviewing the selected filters, run the export to generate the CSV file. The Audit Trail Detail Export report provides audit history for timesheet activity during a selected timesheet period. Select a timesheet period using the Select Period dropdown. Optional filters include projects, accounts, personnel, approval groups, approver type, and timesheet active status. All filter ranges are inclusive, so results include the specified start and end values. Click Download CSV to export the audit trail details for further review or analysis. In the next videos, we will focus on paid time off approvals and reports available to time approvers in PROCAS Time.